Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, reporting from Mobile India Congress 2025. And today I have Tiffany and Srinivas sir with me from Pantherun. Hello, sir. Hi, Tiffany. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you brief me about your company?
We're a cybersecurity innovator, Pantherun.
Okay.
We started 6 years ago. We build latency-free, quantum-safe encryption technologies so that data protection can be at a much better, much better level around the world.
Right. So, what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
We basically build IP. So we understand network protocols because the communication between data happens in varying protocols. We understand all of that. We build encryption so that it can work without creating any delays.
Right.
And encryption technology today depends on key exchanges. That's the biggest vulnerability of encryption. And
Right.
we've built a patented approach wherein you don't need to have key exchanges. That makes it quite revolutionary and much better at protecting data.
Right. So, what sustainable practices do you use in manufacturing your products?
We cater to industries that are very stringent.
Right.
You cater to industrial sectors, defense, telecom, and so on. They have lots of standards that you have to comply with. Also, we don't use open source, because open source tends to have vulnerabilities.
Right.
So everything that we build is built ground up by our design teams in India.
Right.
So it's kind of a product designed in India for the world.
Right. So, are you dealing with any sort of international markets, and in what ways?
We cater to all markets around the world. So we started off in India, but we sell extensively in Europe. We have subsidiaries in Europe as well. We sell extensively in North America as well.
Right.
So
Right.
quite a global.
Right. So, how are the products of your company different from other companies?
We're one of a kind. We've taken AES-based encryption, which is a global standard.
Right.
Has vulnerabilities. We've eliminated those vulnerabilities, which is
Right.
why we find that people adopt our technology compared with some of the other AES
Right.
technologies out there.
Right. That's great. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.